Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making matcha pudding. Do you like matcha? We love to add matcha to any Western style dessert to make a new and original taste. This recipe is based on a panna cotta, which is my favorite recipe of all time, and you can make a variety of taste by adding your favorite flavor. I didn't add egg because I think egg masks the subtle flavor of matcha. This is an effortless recipe that you can make a big batch. I made these for the tea party at my neighbor temple, as I have already mentioned before. Let's get started. First, let's make red bean jelly. Red bean and matcha is a perfect combination, and I like to make it in 2 layers. Transfer to a medium-sized bowl. Chill in icy cold water until slightly thickened. Spoon it into a jar and chill until firm. While chilling, let's move on to the matcha pudding. Put half amount of sugar into a pot and pour in the whole milk. Bring it to a boil. Sugar prevents making the film on the surface of the milk. Mix the rest of the sugar and matcha powder and whisk well to combine. Ladle hot milk mixture and mix well. Repeat the process 2 more times. Then bring it back to a pot and mix well. Add in your bloomed gelatin and mix to dissolve. Transfer to a large bowl, passing through a sieve. Add heavy cream and stir to mix well. Chill on the ice bath until slightly thickened. Transfer the pudding mixture into the jug and pour over the red bean jelly. Pour into a glass bowl if you have any leftovers. To vanish the bubbles of the surface, spray alcoholic sterilizer, which is safe to eat, on the surface. Cover with the kitchen towel and a piece of plastic. Chill until firm for at least 3 hours to overnight. To make a matcha sauce, mix powdered sugar and matcha powder into a small bowl, add hot water and mix well. It doesn't look like a sauce but thickened when it gets chilled. Pour the generous amount of matcha sauce and red bean paste, and there you have your matcha pudding. For the jar, cover with colored parchment paper and tie it with a rubber band. Put the sticker on and you can bring it to anywhere. Let me talk a little bit about the temple. They hold a monthly memorial service for Gyoki Daishi on the 2nd of each month. Gyoki Daishi is a high monk in the Middle Age who is considered as an incarnation of Bodhisattva of wisdom. A group of people of the community attached for his great work for the society get together to the wishing for follow his generosity. Buddhism influences all over our life. It's more like culture than religion. Now let's go back to the matcha pudding. Melt in your mouth with the comfortable aftertaste. This is so good. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And if you have a future video request and any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And please visit my website for the printable recipe. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!